Hello everyone. Today we will learn about countable and uncountable nouns. So, nouns can be categorized into countable and uncountable. Countable nouns are those that can be counted. It can be either in singular form or plural form. For example, boys, toys, pens, books, etc. They all can be counted. And uncountable nouns are those that cannot be counted. For example, sugar, rice, milk, water, etc. And for uncountable noun, we use kilos. For example, a kilo of rice, a kilo of sugar, 2 bags of rice, some water, etc. Please subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.